Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. I am Jinnatunisa, lecturer, Department of Home Science, Milestone College. I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah.
Today we are going to discuss on chapter 10, Functions of Food and Nutrients. Lesson 3, Carbohydrates. After this class, we will be able to know about these topics: formation of carbohydrates, classification of carbohydrates, sources of carbohydrates, functions of carbohydrates, symptoms of carbohydrates deficiency. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates occupy the major portion of our daily diet. They are the main source of heat and energy of our body. Formation of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen as their basic elements. Carbohydrates are called hydrates of carbon since they carry hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 2:1 respectively, just as water does. Thus, we can say that any compound containing hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 2:1 can be termed as a carbohydrate. Classification. Carbohydrates are classified based on the number of saccharide group in them: monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. Monosaccharides. Carbohydrate formed by a single simple carbohydrate molecule are termed as monosaccharide. On hydrolysis or by digestion, monosaccharides cannot be simplified as they are the simple form of carbohydrates. In human nutrition only, hexoses are of importance. The three monosaccharides of hexose group are glucose, fructose and galactose. Glucose. The most common simple carbohydrate is glucose. It is present in fruits, cereal and honey. Fructose. Fructose, known as fruit sugar, is found in honey, rape, fruits and is very few vegetables. Galactose. Galactose is not present in nature. It is present only in milk sugar lactose. On hydrolysis, lactose and galactose and glucose. Disaccharide. They are complex sugars with two saccharide group and are formed by the condensation of two monosaccharides. Commonly found disaccharides are sucrose, lactose and maltose. Sucrose, otherwise known as invert sugar, is present in sugarcane, beetroot and in many fruits and vegetables and honey, either by hydrolysis or by enzyme action. It is simplified into one molecule of glucose and fructose. If we combine glucose and fructose, we will get sucrose. Lactose. Lactose is also known as mentioned GARD and contain glucose and galactose. If you combine glucose and galactose, we will get lactose. Maltose. Maltose or malt sugar is a disaccharide which contains two molecules of glucose. Starch is converted into maltose before breaking down into glucose. If we combine glucose plus glucose, we will get maltose. Polysaccharide. On hydrolysis, polysaccharides are simplified into large complex molecules of monosaccharides. Several hundred of glucose units are linked together in polysaccharides. Starch, glycogen and cellulose are the common forms of polysaccharides. Starch, glycogen and cellulose. Starch. Starch is the main source of nourishment of human race. Plants store carbohydrate in the form of starch. All starches are broken down into glucose in the digestive system. Glycogen. Glycogen can be disaccharide as an animal starch, as it is in this form animals store carbohydrate in the body. It is not found in plants. When we fast for long or do continuous hard labor, glycogen is broken down into glucose to meet the immediate need of energy for the body. Cellulose. More than 3000 glucose units are there in cellulose. It is found only in plants and not of human utilization. Our body cannot split cellulose due to the absence of necessary enzyme. It has an important role in digestion. Some sources of carbohydrate are given below. Functions of carbohydrates. The most important functions of carbohydrates is to supply energy or oil for the body. Thus, it is called as body fuel. 4 kilocalorie energy is produced by 1 gram of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates prevent ketosis by spraying fats from extreme burning. If carbohydrate supply is enough in the diet, protein is spread for important functions of it. This effect exerted by the carbohydrate is called protein sparing effect. In the presence of carbohydrate, a certain kind of organism produce vitamin K and vitamin B in the intestine. Cellulose prevents constipation. Liver is protected against bacterial toxin by producing glucuronic acid or actual group form carbohydrates. Thus, carbohydrates have protective and detoxifying action in liver. Nervous tissue use glucose as the sole element for their energy. Helps to consume protein, vitamin and minerals. Prevents food containing partially incomplete protein to produce heat as a result. Protein is not consumed. It is called protein sparing action. Symptoms of carbohydrate deficiency. Production of heat and energy reduce when carbohydrate becomes deficient in our body. Constipation becomes a common problem when we avoid cellulose in our diet. That is it for today. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.